I'm Tim Gibson, and I'm going to talk to you about maintaining your hardwood floors. Now, this floor in here is a composite floor, which is it's a floating floor where it's put down, which means it's not glued down. It's just a tongue and groove floor that's put together, or a pre-finished floor. So this is commonly what you find. It has that, it's in strips, so it has that real nice look. Now, whether you have a pre-finished floor like this or it's an actual hardwood floor, all your tips for maintaining it are pretty much the same. Now, the most common problem you have on a day-to-day is having dust accumulate, particularly with a darker wood floor like this. So it's usually a good idea to have a quickie duster or something like this to have around. And, you know, the most common thing you want to do when you're maintaining wood floor is you want to keep it dusted. So as you can see, as we run this around, that'll remove a lot of the dust. Now, over time, your pre-finished floors can get scuff marks in them, and usually it's light scuff marks. They're usually pretty tough surface floors that you deal with now. So then it's good to have a polisher such as this, and this is just a big pad, and then you'll have a hardwood floor cleaner. Most of your products and most of your manufacturers will have a specific hardwood cleaner or polisher that they recommend, and there are some aftermarket products out there that you can get. Now, to apply these, there's two ways you can do this. You can either spray it onto your applicator, and you want to make sure you have it in a spray. This will actually work as a spray or as a stream. So you want to cover your applicator. Now, you can also, working in very small areas, you can also spray it onto your floor. And what this will do, as you work this back and forth, and you got to put a little elbow grease into it, as we say. But as you work this back and forth, what it will do is it will it'll actually clean, condition, and shine. As you can see, as we work this back and forth, and it's important before you actually do this step, you want to make sure that you run over it with a duster. Now, if there are some heavy scuff areas, you may need to take something that has a chamois type quality to it, and you may want to work those scuff areas out. But for the most part, if you use this hardwood cleaner, it'll clean it, shine it, and remove some of your basic scuffs. So I'm Tim Gibson, and that's maintaining your hardwood floors.